Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and today we're going to take a look at the other three BBB stamping plates number XL-074 through 76 that I just got in the collection. So let's take a look at the first one here, 074. I have not removed the blue protective film off of this one. Beautiful designs here, look at that, very elegant, for very elegant designs. And you have here, so you can use this, there's two of them that are for full coverage and then all the others are individuals. Let me go ahead and bring you a little closer. So there you can see the individual designs. Now these will gear more, you can look at how large that is. So if you want, you could always spread these images like this one and this one over 3 nails, or you can just take partial of the nail and also use them this way. Okay, so you can use them horizontally or vertically. Now let's take a look. Then this one is 075, also with the blue protective film, and so this one gears more this way. And I'm sorry, I keep blinding you, but remember they have the backing on the back for protection. Here, these full cover images, and again, look at the size of these. These are under the XL, the extra large collection. Look at these, absolutely gorgeous. Yes, very elegant. And so these will be something that you will have to split into, unless you happen to have those super long nails. Very beautiful. And then the last but not least, XL-076, and this one I have used already, and that's why I removed the blue protective film. Make sure I don't have it upside down. But yeah, so this side of the plate, these are all full-size images, and then this side down here, individual images. So I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches on these and then show you some pictures with designs at the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here they all are up close and in person, guys. I'm loving these, the fine lines on these images right here. And look at this large one. Do you guys have a favorite? It's really hard to pick, isn't it? I love this one too. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And the arrows here, what's missing is what I didn't fit on this stamper. I try to pick us as much of the arrows from one end to the other with this stamper. I'm loving these too. These are so adorable. But yeah, very good quality stamping plates, very good edging there. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that the links will be below, as well as my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these beautiful plates to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.